Hi, I'm with Real Property Management DC Metro. If you own or are thinking about renting out a property in Washington, DC, you probably have a lot of questions about fees, leases, maintenance, legal risk, and what a property manager actually does day to day. This page is where we've pulled all of those common owner questions into one place. We built this owner questions section to give you clear, straightforward answers on topics like how our fees work, what's included in management, how we handle resident screening and maintenance, how money moves each month, and what we do to help with DC specific compliance. Instead of digging through a dozen articles, you can scan short FAQs and go straight to what matters most for your situation. Our goal is to be transparent about how we operate, what you can expect from us, and where professional management can actually make your life easier as an owner, so you can decide whether working with a company like ours is the right fit. Scroll down to browse the questions other owners ask us all the time, and if you don't see your question answered, reach out and we'll add it to the list.